Dave here, how are you? I'm sitting under a tree here. It's a very, very hot day. It's over 100 degrees Fahrenheit, which is, up around getting 38 to 40 Celsius. It's very hot. It's a heat wave. Now, I'm doing this whilst my mower is doing all that in that heat. So I'll come into 3 times. Now, he's already done across the hill. He's doing a chessboard pattern for me. So this incline's probably around 25 degrees. Up he goes. And one of the great things about a mower that's got tracks instead of wheels is that it can traverse here easily without the front area of it dipping down the hill all the time, which my ride-on mower does. This doesn't. This holds its pattern perfectly. He's governed by satellite and V-slam, and it does a magic job. Now, if you want one, and I bet you do, there's a link under the video description. See you later. I might get a drink.